AI versus human doctor, who wins in healthcare? Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but one question sparks endless debate. Can AI replace human doctors? From life-saving diagnoses to emotional patient care, the future of medicine may depend on the answer. In this video, we'll explore AI versus human doctor across accuracy, empathy, decision-making, and collaboration. And by the end, you'll know whether robots or humans will be treating you in the future. Stay tuned, because the truth might surprise you. First, let's talk about accuracy. AI-powered tools like IBM Watson or Google's DeepMind can scan medical images, MRIs, CT scans, X-rays, in seconds. A study in Nature showed AI outperforming radiologists in detecting breast cancer, reducing false positives and false negatives. Humans, on the other hand, can get tired, distracted, or overlook subtle details. AI never blinks, never sleeps, and processes millions of records instantly. But here's the catch. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the diagnosis can be flawed. That's where human doctors step in, to interpret, question, and apply judgment that goes beyond raw data. Now let's flip the script. Imagine being told you have cancer. Would you rather get that news from a screen flashing red, or from a doctor who sits with you, explains gently, and offers comfort? This is where humans win. Empathy, compassion, and emotional connection cannot be coded into an algorithm. Patients don't just need treatment, they need understanding. A machine can provide results. A human provides hope. Here's another challenge: medical ethics. What if an AI recommends ending life support because the data suggests no recovery, but the family still has hope? Who makes that call? Doctors consider culture, values, and morality, something AI doesn't understand. Medicine isn't just science, it's humanity. AI may offer options, but humans make the final decisions because ethics can't be automated. AI is already in hospitals today. In the UK, DeepMind helped doctors detect eye diseases earlier than ever before. In the US, AI-assisted robots are helping surgeons make precise incisions in complex surgeries. And during COVID-19, AI predicted outbreak patterns faster than governments could. But notice, in all these examples, AI wasn't replacing doctors. It was assisting them, making them faster, sharper, and better prepared. So what does the future look like? It's not AI versus human doctor, it's AI plus human doctor. AI can process oceans of data and spot patterns invisible to us. Doctors bring empathy, ethics, and real-world context. Together, they form a super team. AI saves time and reduces mistakes. Humans focus on building trust, guiding treatment, and making the tough calls. So, will AI replace doctors? The answer is no. But doctors who use AI may replace those who don't. The future of healthcare isn't man or machine. It's both, working hand in hand to save lives. Would you trust an AI doctor to diagnose you? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into AI versus human mind.